Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. This is Shweta Sharma here, and in today's video I'm going to do a review of Wow Skin Science Stretch Care Oil. During pregnancy, you might suffer from stretch marks and dry skin. You might also suffer from stress. So this video is going to be very helpful to you if you are first time mom. During pregnancy, your tummy area, that is your belly area, starts growing rapidly, due to which you might start getting stretch marks. Stretch marks starts from second month of pregnancy or from fourth month of pregnancy. It depends on each different pregnancies, because each and every body is different and stretch marks depends on each and every pregnancy as well. So this is the product which I am going to do a product review today. I always suggest those products that can be really very useful during pregnancy. One of my subscribers asked me about this product review. She wanted to know exactly what is this product and whether it's going to be helpful or not. She asked me about two products. The next product is going to come after this video. So please do subscribe to my channel. During pregnancy, it's very important to invest on those products that are going to be very helpful to you. Stretch marks are really very common during pregnancy and as well as dry skin. So it's better to use this product to get relief from stretch marks and from dry skin. If you have started developing stretch marks, then it will take time to disappear. If you haven't started getting stretch marks, then also you can use this oil. Saying that the product is good, she can order it. And the packaging is something like this. You can see here. I have saved the box and kept because I wanted to give a product review. I'm shooting from my front camera. I'm going to just add the images here, so you'll come to know about the product and product name. So this is how the packaging is here. You can see there is a pump style bottle. Just open the cap and then pump it. It's one drop is more than enough. And how to use it? You have to just rub to your hands in this way and then massage it in a circular motion. When you massage this, the oil will completely get into your skin and you will feel the difference. The oil is not at all sticky, nor it is greasy, so there is nothing that you are going to get stain marks on your clothes or something. The best thing about the product is you can use any time during the day, and best time to use this product is before going to bed. After bath you can use, before bath you can use. You have to just massage it to your breast area, thighs area, tummy area, wherever you feel that you are feeling stretch marks, dry skin, you can use there. The benefit of these oils are that it's going to give you a complete soft skin. It will keep hydrated, it will keep moistured your skin. You can use in any climate. You can also apply this oil on your joints. During pregnancy, if you have body pain, then you can apply the oil on your joints and give it a good massage, and make sure to give a good massage from top. From top you have to start using, and then towards your legs and other parts. Start massaging from your breast area. You can also apply the oil on your nipples. If you have itching on your nipples, something you're feeling like that, then you can definitely apply on your nipples. During my periods, I always face itching problem on my breast area. You could see here I have tried so much, I have used so much oil, and at that time I used this oil and it gives me a complete relief from itching. The fragrance of the oil is really very good. Once you pump the oil, you can feel the fragrance, and then when you start slowly applying it, the fragrance will slowly disappear. It's not going to be with you for the whole night or something. As I always tell in my videos that each pregnancy is different and each pregnancy body is different, right? This product might work for you or it might not work for you. If you are right now pregnant and watching my video, and if in case you are using any stretch marks oil or cream, definitely please do comment and let me know, so that we can help more pregnancy women who are struggling and looking for stretch marks oil and stretch marks cream. we will help them through my comment section. We can help a lot of pregnancy new moms who are first time pregnant and looking for informations. My aim through my channel is to give honest review. So this product is paraben free. It's going to help you during pregnancy for stretch marks and dry skin. If you have dry skin, you can definitely try once. And rest any details, if you want to, you can just go through their packaging. They have completely provided the complete information on the packaging itself, how to use it, the benefits of the product, and what all ingredients they have used in the product. You will get the complete details on the packaging itself. So this is how the bottle here it is. It's very friendly product. You can easily carry anywhere you wish to. I have shared the product link below in the description box. I hope you like this video. If you are using any product and if you think that product is really great for pregnancy ladies, then you can drop in my comment section or you can email me about those products. I will definitely do a product review on those and let other people also know about it. You can see how beautiful the bottle is here, and this is how the pumping bottle looks here. You have to just open the cap and then take it, pump it how much oil you need it. This is how the product looks here. One drop is more than enough. You have to just apply it in this way. Just apply it in this way and then massage it in a circular motion. Make sure to apply on your joints and massage it to your complete body, and you will definitely get relief from dryness and stretch marks as well. The stretch marks will slowly disappear, and it will take some time to disappear. If your stretch marks are not yet started, then this is the best time to start. And if you have already got stretch marks, to control them you can use this oil. You can see it is non-sticky and it is non-greasy. So once you start massaging in a circular motion, the oil will completely get inside your skin and your skin will soak the complete oil, and then you can dress up in just 5 minutes. The product cost is $6.99 and I hope you like this video. Please do like and share and do comment and let me know how was this video helpful to you. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe and hit on the bell button for notifications. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon in my next video from the same brand product.